Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning
So
to you.
today is Sunday. We all know Sunday is our enjoyable moment. Eh? Whatever you want, you can do everything. So that's the reason I was planned for traveling in Hassan. So there is three places actually I've decided. If I told you that there is no reason that, so I'll show you there. Okay, enjoy.
Tadi orang mana nak?
So finally we're at the Chenakesava temple. So I don't know how it feels, but a lot of people they are like bustling. So I'm gonna show you the temple. It's one of the ancient temple, which was marble, which was made by some decades before, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna show you that temple right now. So this is the Chenakesava temple at Belur, the state of Karnataka. It is situated in Belur. But yeah, the reason that I came here is just because of it was an ancient. It was made by some decades before, built by Vishnu. So just you can imagine that how ancient temple it was, and this temple has a lot of history before Vishnuvardhana as well. But as far I know, I'm gonna inform you about that, because I'm gonna muse on it. I'm not gonna muse on it. I'm not going to deeply on it. Okay. So and even this temple architecture was amazing, actually really amazing, and sculptures are really awesome. So, and the Chennakesava temple is located in Belur Taluk, Hassan district of the India state of Karnataka. Architecture is really amazing. Not only this Chennaswami temple, it's some decades before it was built. This temple was built, but the structure and architecture is really beautiful. So it's the main temple. Actually, it's an aspect of Lord Vishnu. So Lord Vishnu temple it is. So yeah, it's. And the most interesting fact is this temple was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2023, and really it was one of the pride moment for the Karnataka and for Indians as well. So they have mentioned different kind of sculptures. A lot of people are here. So let's see inside of the temple how it looks and how beautiful it is. So this is the actually main temple. Structure and sculpture is really amazing, awesome. It's a bigger one, I think. So let's have a small introduction about this temple. ನೈಸ್, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಎರಡು ಕಣ್ಣು ಸಾಕ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ look at these architectures. These are really amazing. These architectures are really amazing. I don't know who has created this at the decades actually, but the architecture, the picture, the temple structure, everything is amazing. Look at that. Wow, the way they sketched, the way they made it's Lord Shiva and Parvati. So all gods are included unique. It seems like we have many Puranas like Shiva Purana, Vishnu Purana. So those stories they were mentioned, those all in this, I think. So
And the most fascinating thing is this temple is remarkable for its architectures,
sorry.
sculptures, and friezes and reliefs, as well as its iconography.
Look at these temples.
And even
Really awesome. Awesome. Architecture is awesome. Wow. Lord Vishnu. The way they sketched, it's just really awesome. I don't know how many elephants are in this temple, but there are a lot of elephants, horses. Awesome. Inside of the temple, look at there's a god, Lord Vishnu. Architecture. People have different kind of beliefs. I don't know what they are doing, but they trust on God. I think. A lot of people are there putting some coins on the rock and don't know what they are doing. But mostly the human beings are really touched on God like blindly.
this temple is dedicated to Hindu temple god Vishnu is located in the village of Belur. And this temple was commissioned by the king Vishnuvardhana in 1117 century on the bank of the Yagachi river in Belur. So the most suspicious thing that I am going to inform you that this temple was built over 3 generations and took 103 years to finish because it was repeatedly damaged and plundered during the wars and repeatedly rebuilt and repaired over its history. And as per the history, this temple was built by Hoysala Empire in 17th century. And these are the oldest coins, while the ancient were using these coins at that era.